Real-life liquid robots unveiled. Shape-shifting tech inspired by Terminator. Liquid robots used to be stuff of science fiction. Think T-1000 from Terminator 2. But now researchers in South Korea have taken a big step towards making the fiction a reality. At Seoul National University, scientists have developed a robot that behaves like an intelligent fluid. It can change shape, split apart, merge with others, and move without direct contact, guided by ultrasonic waves and a layer of Teflon-like particles that keep its form stable even after the core melts. It's not just a lab trick. This robot can glide over surfaces, slip through tight spaces, and even pick things up, demonstrating serious potential for medical and industry. Imagine tiny robots delivering drugs inside the body or reaching areas no rigid tool could access. For now, it's still in the research phase, externally controlled and working through challenges like miniaturization and real-world durability. But within 7 to 10 years, we could see real-world uses emerge. The future is flexible and maybe just a little liquid. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.